Hey Kyle, this is Michael, and I just wanted to do a quick little screen recording to show you what I'm seeing in your area. Some of the things I'm seeing are really good, and others are maybe not so good. So, what I'm looking at is an ad and preview diagnostics tool from Google. So that allows me to look like I'm in your area, change my IP, and I put in carpet cleaning as a search term because that's of course, what people are going to put in a search keyword. This is actually on another client's account, but anyway, I want to scroll down through here. I want to go down into the map section because I'm seeing you number one in the maps, and I think that's awesome. That's really good. I mean, that's as good as you can get. If anywhere in the top three is good, but you're at the top, you're showing 6 reviews. I'd like to see a lot more reviews come in there, but with Google, but at least you have some and you got the star rating. That's good stuff. As we scroll down, though, uh, I'm not seeing. I'm seeing Kim Dry, Stanley Steamer, Sears, Amazon, um, other things. When I did a search from here the other day, I was able to see some things with Home Advisor, but on this search, I'm not seeing that. I think your calls that you're getting from Google are coming from right here. Now, the bad news is that uh, people are seeing all of this first, and I'm seeing this company right here a lot, this advanced carpet cleaning NJ.com. You told me about them, but they're definitely there. Another person that's really aggressive is this A to Z cleaning service. I'm seeing them quite a bit. And let me kind of show you what I'm talking about. Uh, I want to switch over here to let's go to Riverdale, because once I get outside of your immediate area, uh, Riverdale, where are we? Riverdale, New Jersey. Now, under the same keyword, I'm seeing advanced again. I'm seeing A to Z cleaners. They're really being aggressive in the area, that I think that you're trying to service. Now, here's the bad news: is that once you get out of Kinnelon, you're not in the maps anymore, and you're also not down here anywhere. So there's no organic, there's no maps, and your competition is dominating in this area right here. And that's where I feel like we could really do some good coming in with a good AdWords campaign targeting areas outside of Kinnelon. We could target Kinnelon as well, which I think would be smart because your competition's putting their ads over the top. If you look at this on a mobile device, this is Google's. Google is showing us exactly what's showing on a mobile right here. You can see advanced is first. Then you're seeing all of these others. People have to scroll way down onto the screen to even get to the maps, and then they're not seeing you for any area outside of Kinnelon. Now, one of the things I'm seeing that's bad here, this advanced carpet cleaning NJ is using a call only ad. In other words, when someone clicks on this, it's not going to click to a web page like would happen right here. It's going to just open up to the phone on uh, function on your telephone and try to initiate a call, but it's going to give any person a choice to make or cancel the call. You know how that works. If you click a number on your cell phone, a little screen comes up that you can say call or cancel. Well, what happens on these call only ads, the majority of those are canceled because people don't know that they're not going to click over to a website and get more information. They don't know that a call is about to be initiated. But Google is going to charge for that click, whether the call's connected or not. So I think this company's making a big mistake. They're wasting a lot of budget, and I would not want to do that if we did something for you. Anyway, I wanted to just show you those things, and I'll send you some additional information. Talk to you soon.